This is Amit Tandon, produced by mother, directed by wife, directed by wife, directed by wife, directed by wife, directed by wife.
You live when you are performing. Rest of your life is just waiting.
Let's get the applause going. Let's lift it up and make some noise. Welcome on stage, very funny. Amit Tandon, everybody.
This is Amit Tandon, produced by mother, directed by wife. You know, we worked really hard for this show. I'm from West Delhi, but I still went ahead and bought a Zara jacket for this. When an Indian checks into a hotel, anything he's looking at, there's only one thought in his mind. Is it complimentary? मतलब complimentary है तो sushi भी चाय में डुबो के ले लेंगे. The underlying thought is that if it is complimentary, it will be consumed within 24 hours, irrespective of type, size, date of manufacturing, and if it is Thailand, probably gender as well.
You know, men and women both play mind games. Men and women both play mind games. The difference is that a woman is playing chess, so she thinks 15 moves ahead. A man is just playing Ludo. Thank
you so much. You've been a lovely audience. Thank you.
I've had a very conventional upbringing. I'm a Punjabi, born in Patiala, brought up in Chandigarh and Delhi, and listened to whatever my parents said. So I became an engineer, did my MBA, married a girl through a arranged marriage, and you know, she was actually just 1 year junior in my school, but still it was an arranged marriage through a proper newspaper at the age of 26, had my 2 kids by the age of 29. So a very conventional background. The only thing that I broke in terms of rules was that I left my job and started a business.
My son recently told my wife, "Mummy, आपसे अच्छे कड़ी चावल तो दादी माँ बनाती है." भाई गॉड आंसू आ गए मेरे. मैंने पहली बार गले लगाया उसको दिल से. बेटा 10 साल से नहीं कह पाया था ये बात मैं.
I used to see stand-up comedy on TV, and you know, like a lot of people that I meet every day, I also thought I can also do this. So that's how it started. But later on, it was quite a learning experience. It's not that easy. It's good when somebody says that I loved your act. I just say thank you, and sometimes yes, people want to become stand-up comedians, ask for some feedback. Sometimes you are able to give it, sometimes you feel bad when you are not able to respond. You know, when my kids saw me for the first time performing, it was, in Gurgaon, and this was a 300-seater full house show, and they were not allowed in the auditorium, so they were watching me from backstage, from the green room. They'll come out and peek through the, the curtain and watch me. And when I came back home, they said, "We loved some of your sets." And they would keep on asking me to do those sets at home again and again. They were around Bollywood movies. I think when your kids are proud of you, I think that's the most amazing compliment that you can get.
This is Amit Tandon, produced by mother, directed by wife, directed by wife, directed by wife, directed by wife. You know, when you're middle class, there are certain things that you've grown with, okay? And there's some experiences they just stay with you for rest of your life. You know, childhood से शुरू होते हैं और वो हमेशा आपके साथ रहते हैं. So there's some symbols that I have grown with. Like even today, when I buy clothes, I end up buying one size larger. क्यों बचपन से ऐसे ही कपड़े लेके दिए जाते थे, थोड़े से ढीले लेके दो, अगले साल भी पूरे आएंगे. It was worse for school clothes. मतलब आप क्लास पास कर जाते थे, बट आपकी नई पैंट का बजट नहीं पास होता था. तो होता क्या था, मम्मी अगले साल, आप तो बड़े हो गए, तो अगले साल मम्मी क्या करती थी, नीचे से 2 इंच पोंचे खोल देती थी और पीछे से कमर. और मेरी काली रंग की पैंट होती थी, पीछे इतना बड़ा वी बना होता था, आसपास का घसा हुआ, बीच में काला नया. और होता क्या था कि आप प्रोटेस्ट करके देखो पेरेंट्स को कि नहीं मम्मी ये ऑड लग रही है, और वहाँ जाके आपके पेरेंट्स के साथ पहली बार ट्रस्ट इश्यूज आते हैं. बिकॉज योर मदर विल होल्ड इट लाइक दिस. कहाँ पता भी नहीं चल रहा. एंड यू आर वंडरिंग यार माँ पे विश्वास करूं पैंट पे. और आप थोड़ा सा ज्यादा इंसिस्ट करो, नहीं वो दिख तो रहा है क्लियरली, पता तो चल रहा है मैं तेरी माँ हूं, मैं तुझे गलत बोलूंगी. एंड फाइनली बात इस पे सेटल होती है, चल 2 बार धुलेगी ठीक हो जाएगी.
I'm the same guy on stage. If you look at what I do comedy about, it's primarily my own stories or observations of a middle class guy, how he's grown up, how his parents are, or how his relationships are in the family. So there's no difference, it's the same guy.
I realized that when you're middle class and staying at a 5-star hotel, more than the staff, you are under pressure to impress. Because you're always conscious, do I look rich enough to afford this? Do I sound rich enough to afford this? And as a couple, you are telling each other कि if you see a celebrity, don't get too excited. Sonal, wo dekh Kaloknath. You have to act cool and all. Yeah, look, yeah. But if you don't give it away, your kids give it away. We entered the hotel and my son was like, Papa, fountain. And once the staff figures out that you're middle class, they start playing around with you. They'll tell you stuff that you can't understand at all. Sir, the tea will be served at the parapet. Parapet kya hota hai? We don't know, right? So we are like, yeah, we will be there at the parapet. And when you order food there, that's the first time when you realize that even the side servings are edible. और आप बच्चों को समझा रहे होते बेटा ये पत्तों पे सॉस लगा के खा बहुत स्वाद लगेगी. So the most important event for us at the 5-star hotel is the complimentary buffet breakfast. That's the time when 5-year-old Bittu to 65-year-old bubbly auntie, everybody turns into a Spartan. हमारे अंदर का सनी देओल जाग जाता है. We eat like this is our last meal before hibernation. And even the stomach is signed out what kind of a diet is he going for. Is he going for the healthy diet or is he going for the I don't give a damn, I'm a Punjabi diet? Because you have fruit salad, followed by chole bhature, followed by muffins, croissants, boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, and your intestines are going, oh shit. And the lungs are saying, Ruk, abhi to chilled juice ke saath chai aayegi.
See, I've lived for 38 years now. So, and I have like written only 2.5, 3 hours of my material, picking up from different pieces. So I think if I think hard enough, every time I go back and think hard enough, there is one piece or the other that I can pick up and talk about. So I don't think that should be a challenge, writing new material. Well, yes, there's a lot of effort that goes in. As you know, typically a stand-up comedian doesn't write more than 45 minutes to 1 hour of good material in 1 year. Sometimes it might feel bad that people are not getting your joke, but I think that's part and parcel of it, because sometimes you would write a simple joke and it would live for the next 10 years. Okay, so it balances out. So I don't, it goes with every form of creative art, whether it is movies. Somebody spends 2 years making a movie and then it's trashed within 3 days. I think it's part and parcel of the game when you're in a creative profession.
I'll tell you what, Indian men are stupid. But they're not born stupid, they're brought up stupid. Because there's not too much of expectation from a guy in an Indian family. एक लड़के से इंडियन फैमिली में सिर्फ एक एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है कि वो पैदा हो जाए. Whereas a girl is brought up with this constant threat and fear कि पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. एजुकेशन पूरी रख, एम्प्लॉयबल होनी चाहिए, पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. कुकिंग आनी चाहिए, स्टिचिंग आनी चाहिए, पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. सेक्स और रोमांस के बारे में ज़्यादा मत सोचा कर, पता नहीं कैसा लड़का मिले, कहाँ शादी हो. these days there's this new stupid concept that has come in called child psychology, where you're supposed to encourage the kids to do everything, right? So the kid can come with a real screwed up drawing. पापा देखो मैंने बनाया. अरे वाह बेटा बड़ा सुंदर बनाया. ये क्या बनाया? And there's a circle and a few lines here and there. पापा ये आप हो. ये आपका head, ये legs, ये arms. पर बेटा ये इतना दूर दूर क्यों पड़ा है? पापा आपके ऊपर से ट्रक निकल गया.